everyone, it's Holly. If you are new to my channel, welcome. I do a lot of cooking, travel, homeschooling, and motherhood videos. So if you enjoy any of those things, I hope you would subscribe and stay tuned. Okay, I am talking once again about Universal Yums. We just received box number 4, and I gotta tell you, I'm so excited about this country. Now, I've mentioned this before, that Universal Yums is a box we get once a month full of sweets and treats from a country somewhere around the world. We never know what country we are getting, and I'm using this in our homeschooling. So whatever country we end up getting, we study this country in depth. We study where this country is, different things about the culture, the history. So last month, our box was France, and really that was a lot of fun to study more about. I love the country of France, and all the sweets and snacks we got from France were so good. When I first found out what country we got in box number 4, I was a little surprised, but ultimately I am thrilled to be studying more about this country. So come with us right now as I share with you box number 4 of our Universal Yums. All right, opening up our box, and we got the country of Russia. Can you believe it? We are going to be studying about Russia and trying all kinds of food from this country. First off, we got some crab-flavored snacks, some pickle-flavored puffs, garlic-flavored snacks, mushroom croutons, this delicious-looking cake, these waffle treats, a candy bar, another candy bar, and another candy bar, as well as our mystery yum bag. So definitely lots of great stuff here to try from Russia. And now it's time to get the kids to guess what country they think it is. I already gave them a hint and told them it was in Europe. Okay, what do you think it's going to be?
Italy.
I think it's gonna be Norway.
I think it's gonna be Sweden. Russia.
That's right, it's Russia.
Mommy, look what it is.
First, we are going to try these crab-flavored snacks. Is that good?
Mm-hmm.
Does it taste?
Very crunchy.
Does it taste like crab?
Yeah.
What do you think?
Tastes like shrimp and crab.
Ooh.
Has an interesting flavor.
I could taste that seafood in there. Next, we'll try these garlic macho snacks. They're like a little circular snack here. Is it good?
I put it through my lips and it's like smooth. It tastes like garlic bread.
What do you think?
They're good.
Yeah, these are good snacks. And next, we'll try the Bon Time little dessert here, candy bar.
These are like s'mores, marshmallows with chocolate.
Oh, those are good. I was not expecting that flavor.
Look at the inside.
That is good. It has like good marshmallow flavor with something else too. I'll have to read about it. We are gonna try these yummy looking savory snacks that look like they have a pickle flavor.
It tastes like a salty pickle.
Looks like a cheese puff.
Really good.
Very good. Now we're gonna sample this cake. It looks like it's a caramel flavor maybe.
Tastes like a donut.
Yeah,
It's like you roll it
Does
up.
it have like a caramel flavor to it?
Not really.
Zoom in and show what it looks like in the inside.
The inside is like all swirly and the outside is like all
Well, how does it taste?
Tastes good.
Fantastically good.
All right, we're gonna see what's in the yum bag real quick. Don't take anything. We're gonna just look through them first.
Whoa, these are so big.
I'm going to split these up, and then the kids here have all decided which one of these hard candies they want to try. These are passion fruit jelly bonbons. Ooh, look what's inside. That looks delicious. So that is what it looks like inside. Everyone try.
So,
How is that?
jelly.
Is it good?
Jelly.
These are caramel toffee with hazelnut cocoa filling, crispy tiramisu balls. So everyone get the kind need. We're gonna try. Is it chocolate covered?
It's like
peach. Or hold them up so I can see.
Peach and brown.
Peach and brown. Okay. One has a caramel coating, one has a chocolate coating.
Oh, it's chewy.
Is it chewy in the middle? Okay, maybe yours is chewy. And then
Ours
yours
is a little chewy.
Okay, got chewy as you sucked on it?
But I think like the middle is like hard.
It's like a filling. It's really good.
What do you think of yours?
Oh, good.
How about you?
Good.
Right now we're gonna sample these mushroom croutons. Does that have a good mushroom taste to it?
Oh, it does taste like there's mushroom in there. I don't like
Just like a crouton you would find on a salad.
I don't like it because I don't like
Kind of
mushrooms.
a funky taste for a crouton, but these would be good on a salad, for sure.
Yeah.
Like an Italian
I like
salad.
them. Really good.
Now we are gonna try this waffle little treat here. Looks just like maybe a Belgian waffle. There's actually two here, what do you think? Oh wait, no, it is, there's something inside, maybe a maple flavor. I cut it up so we can all try a piece. Ooh, caramel. Does that have a caramel taste to it?
Chewy.
You break it apart? Ooh, that's good. Yeah. It's like having a waffle in the morning.
Look.
This would make a good breakfast snack. How do you say that? Yarche? All right, so it looks like a candy bar here. I'll go ahead and split it up. And go ahead and try a piece here. Looks just like peanuts and caramel. Yeah.
That makes Snicker bar.
Does it taste like a Snicker bar? Let me see.
We did a Snicker bar.
Oh yeah, this is the Russian version of a Snicker bar. And last, we are gonna try this candy bar called Jets. Like it might be kind of a cookie caramel with maybe a dark chocolate. So it has the same look as the last one we just tried. Go ahead, everyone take a piece. Now what does that taste like? A Twix?
Not really.
What do you think? Is it good?
No.
No?
I give a 2 on this one.
What do you think?
Great. It's good. It's good.
What was your favorite out of all the Russian treats?
I like the waffles. I like the caramel toffee with hazelnut cocoa filling. That was pretty good.
I liked the boiled milk sponge cake roll with cocoa drizzle.
Yeah, that cake was so good.
Taking a look now at everything else that was in our Russia box. We of course had our map of Russia. Now these maps are never to scale, but it gives an idea of the layout of the land. It shows what countries and what bodies of water the country borders. It always shares some interesting fun facts about different regions in that country. I love the booklet. It's always full of information. The first thing they started talking about was, you've probably been hearing a lot about Russia in the news lately. And they explained that even with what is going on with that country right now, they had already planned months ago to do Russia as a country for this box. And along with that, still lots of great things to read about. Russia in 60 seconds, things you might not have known about this country. There's also a recipe for pierogi. I don't know if I'm saying that right. It looks absolutely delicious. We love doing the trivia train page for whatever country we get, because not only do we learn so much about the country, but we learn more about their culture and why they do certain things, have certain holidays. It is a great read. Then, of course, you have your pages that is going to explain all the different sweets and treats, your nutrition facts, the answers to all the games and quizzes. There is a little read here on the Russian nesting doll. And then, of course, a lot of different quizzes and games where you just learn so much cool stuff about the country. Then a day in the life in Russia. There is a recipe here for what I thought was crepes, but I looked at this recipe compared to the crepe recipe in our France book, and it actually is different ingredients, so I might have to try this recipe as well. Then a few more quizzes and games, and that is our book for Russia. Well, that is it with our Russia box. I hope this video was helpful and gave you a good overview of what to expect with Universal Yums. This is not a sponsored video at all. I just wanted to share with you a great way that you can incorporate learning about different countries and cultures in your homeschooling through this great subscription box. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, and I hope you'll join us next time.
Bye, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.